This is a data research learning network, and we're here culminating the first part of our work with districts, bringing them together to analyze data and practices related to the achievement of African American students. So each district had an opportunity to share their journey thus far on the outcomes that they had identified in their problem of practice. And what we heard today was, we heard districts come to the conversation with a humble and open heart around what's working and what's not working. And each of them bring a focused conversation that is specific to the nature of what they're trying to achieve. Napa County is part of that group, and today we had an opportunity to focus in on their problem of practice around engaging students in their career tech ed programs. We had an opportunity to see their culinary arts program and to be served by those students and talk with students about the opportunities that created for them and whether or not the engaging opportunities that they're having are shifting the way that they're engaging with school. What we're hearing from Napa County is yes and no. They have the opportunities, they created them, they're seeing some positive growth. They're also struggling to nail down the data point that they need to really ascertain whether or not what they're trying to achieve is actually achieving those outcomes. But that's the kind of conversation Napa County wants to have. And those are the kinds of conversations that help the other districts involved in the network. The partnership with Caaasa allows us to focus in on the needs of a particular group of students, that being students of African American descent, and they bring to us the opportunity to network with LEAs around how to best intervene, support, and improve outcomes for African American students. The only way to solve the problems that we face as a state of California is through deep collaboration and problem solving. It is only through the network opportunities where LEAs have an opportunity to learn from one another, collaborate with one another, and problem solve with one another that we have a chance to bridge the gap between where we are and where we want to be. It's a great event, could not be done without Caasa's partnership. What Caaasa brings to the table is an authentic, genuine desire to improve outcomes for all students, particularly those who are African American. And their willingness to humbly convene and create a space that is safe and where trust builds is the key mechanism we need to build the connections to build for students.